Got the cigar van out here, huh? It's a really nice motorcycle. Really nice bagger. Got the cigar man out here. Got humidors in there. You don't mind me videotaping, do you?
No, man, go ahead, man. I'm over cigar lounge, man.
I'm trying to get my little YouTube up, man, for my Buick channel.
Okay.
Man, this is nice, man. He got humidors and cigars at the car show in the van. Look for this guy, man, at your local car shows, man. The cigar man. It's nice. We got a lot of copyright. I'm about to try to find a way to delete the music. It's a real nice colors. It's real nice colors. This bad boy is super clean. Got a Chevy 78, 79 Caprice on 26s. With that Sierra grill, Mustang. Oh, this was me almost 20, 25 years ago. Drop top Mustang. Mine was a 6-cylinder. I ain't gonna even stunt on y'all. But I wasn't but 20 years old with it. Got a little Mustang click out here. 87th Street in Kersey. Little meet and greet. Got them Buicks out here though, man. I gotta get Radzilla back out in this game, man. Look at that. Talking about show and go. He got it all under the hood right here. clean up under here. Looking like a new car under the hood. El Dorado Barritz. And we got the SS. I had a Boo Wagon, 79. Bought it from my boy Black Chris for like $100 after he did dirt and acted a fool in it. Now we got the Corvette Club. Where all the Corvette lovers at? Clean, detailed.
They go Vanna White. You see him? Vanna White. Let's go in.
This Impala sick with it, boy. I ain't seen this one on the net. Them lips is fucking ridiculous. And you know he got the control on. He lined up nice and straight. Sick with it, Chicago style, man. MCs is nice.
Thank you, brother.
70s.
Yes, sir.
70s.
One of them was 71. Which one is it?
I would say that one.
Oh, the white one.
The white one?
Look at the bumper. Look at the headlight.
I'm looking at the grills.
No, look at the bumper. See that round?
Okay, okay, okay. Square,
Right.
oval like versus round. Okay.
Round is the 7.
Now I just learned something.
What up, baby? I just asked you about you. How you doing? All right. All right.
I always wanted one of these.
Yeah, that boy's nice. I had one for about 2 weeks. All they put in the shop, got it out. Motherfucking T-bone. The day I got
Oh Lord.
it. Last year.
I got a 70 Deuce convertible.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I just dropped it in the morning. I'm trying to drop this motherfucker for the summer in.
What you dropping?
Another 455.
Oh, yeah?
Another big block.
Oh yeah.
I rocked the last one acting crazy.
Who put it in for you?
Me.
Get the fuck.
At home in the garage.
455. You
Yeah.
built